And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it isn't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Planner Monday video. So I hope you all are having a wonderful Monday. If you're liking the Planner Monday videos, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And comment down below on some of the planners you want me to try and do a review on. So in this box I have already pulled off. It is a little magazine. I can't show you all the front because there's a 20% off discount code, but basically it just shows you different products. As usual, she comes with a little postcard and a little sticker. And I am so excited. I saw a video on this and I knew I wanted to try it because I needed something different. I want to change up my planner system. I'm kind of bored, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I haven't been using my desk agenda as much as I need to. So if you have seen these videos before, you know what's in this pouch. I got the gold, I believe, Folio. I think that's what they're calling them. Yes, Folio. So it is like this nice little pleather. Obviously it's not real. And then it has this really nice detail up here. Really nice for $20 in my opinion. It's not like what you would get from a traveler's notebook, but it is nice. So I did not get mine customizable. One, if I didn't like it and wanted to sell it, I could sell it. Two, it takes longer and I hate waiting, so that's why I didn't. And it was like an extra $5 or $10. I'm not exactly sure. But for $20, this is nice, and it comes with a little case for it. To go with my Folio, I got these adhesive elastic sticky holders. Sorry for the glare, guys. It comes with a rose gold, a silver, and a gold. I will probably use, I don't know. What do y'all think? What color should I use? I think I probably will use the gold or maybe the rose gold. Then I got some stickers. So I got the Petite Planner Do It All sticker pack. It has just some little icons, happy birthday, celebrate, and flags. Really cute. I got the Petite Planner Wellness Log functional sticker set. So different ones to put in that. And then I got these big stickers for, I don't know which side, I think that sticker's upside down, I'm not sure. Just got some stickers for my actual planner. Then the rest of the stuff is inserts. So the first one I got is the Wellness Log. So let me open this up. So this Wellness Log is very different from the one I have ordered in the past. So I was excited to see what all changed. It says energy flows where attention goes, and it's the Wellness Log, and it's so pretty. Has my wellness goals, and then I guess this is your activity, and then this is your meals, which I really like. I don't need to do a detailed meal because I do use the fitness app, I forget what it's called, is it My Fitness Pal on my phone, so I didn't do that, but I like just tracking because I just like keeping track of that. So you have a couple of weeks in here, and then you have my monthly progress, wellness goals, and some extra paper. And then it comes with some stickers, so that's a cute little detail. It comes with just some fitness stickers and then a little folder to keep them in, so that's really cool to have in there. And then I will be putting this in the Folio. So I'm going to go through all these, and then either I'm going to do a separate video of showing you how I set mine up, or I'm going to set it up at the end, so stay tuned. The next one I got is the budget book, because what is a planner without a budget book? It says the best way to get things done is to begin, and I highly agree with that. So it's a savings tracker for the monthly, and it said month at a glance. It has income, savings, and all your food. So it breaks down basically what you would all budget for. So that's cool. Your spending summary, which I really wanted to start adding in to see where I spent. And every month it looks to be a different color. So that is really cool. Does it give you some extra note paper? Yeah, you have a debt tracker. So if you have any debt, it starts on this one. So debt tracker, that's cool. And then like the fitness one, it won't come out. There we go. It comes with some pretty budget stickers. My favorite are the little piggy banks or the vault. but I love the gold foil on it, and it comes with a little pocket. Sorry, my voice cracked for some reason. And these are the same size, if y'all are wondering. All these are the same size. So if y'all didn't know this already, her daily planners are very, very new to the Erin Condren world. It is normally a weekly. She came out with the vertical layout first, then the horizontal, and then the hourly, and now she's offering the daily. And she does it in 4 different little notebooks. I really hope that she does a coil daily planner and maybe like do like smaller ones in the same concept. That would be really cool. So we have different months. So we have volume, this is volume 3, volume 4, volume 1, and volume 2. So I will probably, I've seen people already start using these and they just change the dates on them. That is probably what I will do. I couldn't find any date like cover up. I'll have to see if I have any in my collection. If not, run up to Staples and see if they have them. So I was really, really excited to get my hands on these. Here is the month at a glance, and it jumps into the daily. So we have little bitty boxes right here that you can put like today, YouTube, Instagram, or errands, chores, and a running to-do list. And then here is Saturday and Sunday. I like that they have enough room for the top and bottom. And everything is one color, so just like her other planners, it is November in a different color and then December in the green. And then once again, we have just some stickers back here for those little, so you could probably use these stickers for right here. So that's really cool. If y'all want to see how I set mine up, let me know. So I'm not sure if they all come. Yes, every single one of these planners comes with a colorful vertical layout, 3 months, 3 monthly spreads, daily mini months and checklists, note pages, inspirational quotes, and functional metallic stickers. So all 4 of these books come with stickers, so that's pretty cool. The next thing I picked up is this monthly planner. I didn't realize I picked up the 2019 one, but at first I didn't read that those came with monthly, so that is why I ordered this. So that is my fault. But then I got to thinking that I could use this for so many things. And it comes with stickers as well and lots of note paper. I think I'm going to use this for my content schedule. So just write out what videos are coming out every month. And then write notes about it. So write notes about the video, maybe some passwords in here. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do it with, but I really would like to use this for my content schedule. And also it has the pretty gold foil on it. Next, I picked up this goal setting journal. I wasn't a big fan of the cover for this, I'm not gonna lie. I might recover it, but I liked the contents of it. And it comes with tips on how to goal set. So that's really cool. And then it comes with some stickers. So this is broken up into a couple of months. I'm not exactly sure. So it just tells you different things, the values, guide to goal setting, permission and support, your vision board, some quotes, breaking down the goal, and things like that, goal check-in. So I'm excited to use this because some changes are about to happen in my life. So I'm really, really excited to use this. Then I picked up the meal planner. Once again, it comes with sticker sheets, recipe log, shopping lists, all kinds of good inserts in here. I love the cover. I can't talk today, guys. I really love the cover on here. So that's cool. So you can plan out breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then do your shopping list. So it has quite a few of those. In the back, we have dinner party meal plan, recipe log. I wish she had a book just for recipe logs. I would really like to have a Erin Condren recipe log book, and then I have all my recipes in one. Because then if you just write it in this one, I get that the function of it in this planner is very useful, but I would like to have one place where I could just pull an Erin Condren one. I know she has a Erin Condren acrylic box recipe, but it's quite... And then we have a conversion chart and recipe calls for and its equivalent. And then some cute little stickers. I love the avocado, the words, and the gold foil, the shopping cart. Really, really cute. That looks like a candle. But I think that's a lunch tote. But it looks like a candle. And last but not least, let me pull this out. We have the Jot Your Thoughts, and it includes 80 lined pages. So I just got this just for random notes. Just plain lined paper. It doesn't come with a little clear or a pocket on here, so you could just put one of her clear pockets and then put all your sticker sheets in there if that's what you wanted to do. And it would be really, really cute. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. It didn't take me long, so I fast forwarded just putting everything in just to figure out how everything goes, because I haven't had like a traveler's notebook in a hot minute. So we have the strap. You could even probably put like a little charm on this if you wanted to. So the first thing I put in here is the daily planner. Then I put the budget book in there. I have the wellness log. And then I just have a notebook. And I probably will put some kind of folder, or not folder, little, yeah, I guess it would be like a little folder to put things in at the end. So I could put like my little stickers back there. Or I could just put them in one of these folders. But really, really cute. I would recommend this if you are new to the, I forget what this is called, Folio world. I really, really like it. It's worth $20 in my opinion, and I like all the different books she has come out with, even if you just want to use the books that way too. But now you have a place for all the books to go in, and you can take them out if you don't want to carry this whole thing in your purse. But I like the size because I'm definitely a A5 size. I think this would be an A5 size. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.